I'm already stress level high, so we're fine.
Cool. All right, what's your widget?
So my widget is something, it's funny that you were talking about all these things. I literally use every time I publish a piece of content, whether it be on YouTube, it be on our agent newsletter, our website, anytime I put out a piece of content, I utilize this service. And it's called capitalizemytitle.com. I think it's .com. I just Googled capitalize my title. The great thing is you just type in what you want and it'll capitalize the correct letters. It won't capitalize the letters that aren't supposed to. You don't ever have to remember that. But not only does it do that, it can turn all of the letters into all caps or all lowercase or sentence case. So if you have say you're writing a property description and you accidentally forgot that you didn't type it in all caps and you want it to go in all caps, you just copy and paste that into capitalize my title. You can choose all caps and make it look horrible. Or if you somehow need to email this and the property description is in all caps, copy it, paste it in, and use it's called sentence case, and it will capitalize the first letter and not the rest. So it's free. It's really easy. I love it.
Cool.
So
the one I'm going to go with today is something that I use a lot, primarily when I'm on listing appointments. And we talk about some of the things that make us different than other people. And when we talk about, we've been ranked #1 team in San Diego County for 7 straight years now. And that's where a lot of people kind of end that statement is like, we're #1. Great. Cool. What does that mean to me? Like, cool story, bro. But what I talk about is the fact that what that means is we've negotiated more deals than anybody. And negotiating is like boxing. You could hit a speed bag all day. You could hit a heavy bag all day, but you don't really know how to box till you get in the ring and somebody's punching back at you. Negotiating is that same thing. You could watch videos about negotiating, you could read books about negotiating, but until you actually get into active negotiations, you have no idea what the hell you're doing. So the problem is when you work with an inexperienced negotiator is they throw your money out the window like it's nothing. And so instead of talking about it, what I did, actually I didn't do it, somebody got this for me, but got me a big fat stack of cash. It's funny money, don't worry. It looks pretty damn real though, huh?
Except for the Chinese letters on it.
They probably had to do something to do it. But I actually got a $10,000 stack of cash that I'll literally put on the table. Like, look, when you work with that rookie agent, they're going to take your $10,000 and just throw it to the other person like it's nothing. When you work with me, I'm going to hold on to that $10,000 like that's my $10,000, and they're going to have to pry it out of my freaking hands if they want it. So you give the seller that visualization of like how serious you take your negotiating, and that's had a huge impact on closing my listing appointments. But when you actually like put a stack of 10 G's in front of somebody, it really changes the story because you actually have the visual to go along with it.
You should put a real 100 on the bottom and the top.
It looks like
that way you can flip through it and it'll look all right still.
Yeah, so I don't know where it's from. It's probably from eBay or
Amazon,
Alibaba or something.
See, I got a stack like that too. I said, hey, Tom, here's your raise. Immediately, he's like, fake money. I showed it to Chad. He's like, you fucking serious? No, brother.
Yeah, so get you some funny money. It really enhances the story when you start to talk about the power of negotiation.
Cool.
All right, guys. Well, hopefully you got a lot of value out of the show today. I want to thank you so much for tuning into this episode of the Whissel Wave podcast.
See you guys.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.